Now, the fourth fundamental, I want to talk about power supplies, and I want you to think as power as logic and not as calculations. It's a different way we're going to look at power supplies when we're taking a NICET exam. So if you understand, when you're taking a NICET exam, they're not testing you about battery math. They want to see what the primary and what the secondary power sources are for the fire alarm system. And do you know them? Do you know how they work? Do you know how they operate? And do you know how to calculate the battery loads for whatever particular system that you're installing? So inside of NFPA 72, Chapter 10, 10.6 is where they talk about all power supplies and all power sources for the fire alarm system.